YouTube. It's finally time to start bamming on the RX8. I'm on my way to Tiffin right now to pick up one of my boys. He's gonna help us pull the motor out because, I don't know, 4 hands are better than 2, I guess. Make it go faster. But that's where I'm headed right now. I know it's been a while. Uploads are gonna be coming more regularly now that we're getting the ball rolling. Fucking go, minivan, damn. Uploads are gonna be coming more regularly. Now that the ball's rolling. I've got a motor. We're gonna go over that, all the shit that I've ordered for it. Camming it. Probably not turboing it this year, maybe next year, because I'm kind of fucked for time. I want to get it done this year. Still recording on an iPhone, poorly. But yeah, in about 6 seconds, we'll be at my shop pulling the motor out of the RX8. Getting rust in my fucking eye.
Nice, look at that, dude. You got her, buddy. You don't need this, do you? Cool. Fuck that bolt, we're throwing it away, dude. Fuck that bolt. Here.
Ah, blasted.
Blasted.
Finger blasted.
Thank you. Shitty ass.
I did not record the last 1.5, my bad.
Okay.
I don't think it was 1.5.
I think the only thing holding this up now is the bumper. Oh nope, we got one more hanger right here.
Your arm. Because the exhaust will drop on it.
Yeah, for sure. Just this one hanger. I'm actually gonna.
Cut that exhaust, cut that muffler off, dude.
It's already loose. Just
oh my god, hang on.
Just pull it, dude. Pull it, man. Pull it. We're gonna move this tray up. Oh, you alright? Yeah. Okay.
Look at this, dude.
We're throwing it away, dude.
Where? I'm just saying, it's lit.
Start walking.
I'm waiting.
We get different results.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever we did last time. Do the same thing. Yeah. We can technically take the drive shaft.
Yeah.
Well, I just want. Why is that wrong?
You want the screwdriver to pry on it? You want it to come forward some? Because the drive shaft ain't fucking holding it no more.
No, I want this arm to come off the rear diff. Is my goal.
Okay.
But I don't know why it's on. It won't come off.
Fucking we'll bam it.
Okay.
Here, we'll bam it with this. Jab that in there and fucking wiggle it back and forth.
Well, there's 2 bolts that are built into the rear differentials that go all the way through the case
Take them
and
off.
stick out the bottom of this arm like these were. Right here.
Yeah.
But I can't move the bolts or the arm. Does that make sense?
Did you try making it do it?
And you can come over here and try looking at it with your fucking eyeballs.
Right here.
Put it in there and turn it to the left. Did you get it?
Get it out, dude.
Just jam all 4 of them in there. It's a deep socket because you don't have to quit. Next. Just let it fall in there. One more, dude. We're gonna
Rotate the drive shizzle, dude. It's in fucking gear, dude.
Oh, that's so stupid. Just put the thing up here. Just, if there's room, just put it up here. Just make it do it, man.
Where the fuck is it? I can't fucking see it, dude.
Just push the pull trigger.
You can back up now,
Fucking
please.
Stupid. I'll do this exactly what I want to do. Oh man, it was right there in my reach.
Fucking blicky, dude.
Fucking look at that.
You need the other blicky? You need the hidden blicky?
You can take that one that's left out with it. Feel better. Use the other side.
I got it, dude.
Good. Goddamn. Watch out for transmission fluid.
Watch out!
Watch your fucking. You ain't get fluid in your man book, kid.
Drive shaft.
Dude, that's fucking cross member, torque arm, drive shaft. Fucking, let's go upstairs.
We'll pay him, dude.
Cherry picker time. We're gonna pull the whole motor, the whole transmission out.
Look at
put
it
on
just
the floor.
sliding back and forth.
Oh yeah, look. It won't stay still no more. Let's move it. Let's crash it into your,
Look at that spin.
your rear differential. The
like-
fucking yoke.
It's like science, dude. That's fucking crazy, right?
Fucking geometry and physics, not science.
Let's leave all the tools down here.
Okay.
So that way we can come down when we need them one at a time.
Just keep going up. Keep going up. You're pulling a motor out of a Mazda right now. And a transmission. All at the same time.
Both of
Look
them.
at you go. Fucking both of them! How you do it?
Hang on, that wiring harness is
This
fucking. It's still connected to the fuse box, I think.
This one?
On the right. Nope, on the right.
I'll cut that one too in a second.
Okay.
After I cut this one.
The snips line is better on those.
I don't care.
Yeah, those ones.
This one?
Yeah, don't put the fuse box.
This is so cool, dude. I didn't have to worry about none of these wires. I wonder what this wire does. Don't care. Wonder what that wire does. Well, it gets cut in half. That's what it does. It's supposed to. I can just unplug these.
That sounds much fun.
Yeah, I wanted to cut them. I never get to cut stuff. Fucking awesome. Okay, you're free. I guess it needed my body. Awesome. It must have needed my body here. It's dangerous. Yeah, just keep going as much as it will. Yep. Yep. Ooh, fucking freedom. That's it.
Shit.
It's hanging there. Free as fuck. Free as hell.
Be careful of the AC line.
We don't care about it.
I just didn't want spray on blow all over the place.
Okay, I'll die eventually.
Ooh, it's green. What is
That's
green?
antifreeze.
That's antifreeze.
Ah, I want to drink it.
It looks good, but it'll kill you. You can let it drip in your eye a little. You'll be
Sounds
fine.
appealing.
Okay.
Fucking sweet, dude. You know what's a pain in the ass it would have been without that cherry picker, dude? Jesus. Not happening, kid.
No, don't fucking change. Okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Now we're
That
just gonna
good?
sit here and bask in the glory of it.
While we stand on it, because it's gonna tip over if we don't.
Will it?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. Yeah.
Okay, then I'll push this back and we can lower that down.
Is it high enough too?
Sure.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Be careful, Randy.
You're good.
I don't want that motor to slip off that hook and we'll hit you.
It's fine. I trust it. Japanese metal.
Probably shouldn't.
Japanese metal. It's fine.
Yeah, it's right there. Okay.
I'll jump in here and you lower it down.
Okay.
That way you won't get mad at Veronica when it drops in the basement.
Thanks, man.
Looking out for you. Watch your hands. Still in control, baby.
Okay. I literally have this, a fucking cunt here to the left, Ronnie. I need you to take it, like literally, that much, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay. Now do it.
Wait.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Jesus Christ.
Ground effects, body kit, wide body RX8, wide body fender flares, coilovers. Fucking slam it, dude.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Fucking sheesh.
Hell yeah, dude.
Fucking sheesh.
You getting it? You don't need no fucking rotors.
Don't need fucking 0 rotors. We need 8 fucking pistons and 4 turbos.
Fuck yeah, quad turbo. LS.
Fucking washer fluid was full, dude.
Check the washer fluid, Billy.
Check the washer fluid, pump it.